So far, I've not heard anything. There's no major reason why I came here. You know, people at my level, when they come, they say, there must be something. I have not come here for anything. It's just a courtesy, and we'll move to the next. Yes, thank you.
Asante sana. You always plays a big role in justice, administration of justice in this country. All along we've been cooperating with your judicial counterparts. We have had a very, very good relationship from the time the county government was started in 2013. I came here as a deputy governor then. So I remember even churches who have been coming in, we have had a very good relationship. And it's good your office was created, I think, by the Constitution. Previously, I know it was policemen who used to do the prosecution with all the errors. But now, I think the way you're conducting yourself, every Kenyan is aware, and we are happy the work you are doing because it's fair. If the case does not merit prosecution, you return it for further investigations. And we realize that's a big role because you may prosecute somebody who is innocent, and although I know some people are in jail for cases for crimes they never committed because of some circumstantial errors, because you can be found in the scene of crime where you were just passing. You are told to explain how this man died.
You have no answer.
And you have no answer. Such things happen, but with your office now, with the professionals, and I think most of them are here, pretty strong delegation, which is backing you. I know justice will always be done. Asante sana, as you think this is good because you come to know the ground.
Yes.
Kuruko hearing about Nyamira, you don't know where Nyamira is, you can see it in the map, but it's good you come to know the people of Nyamira and they get to understand, so that when you are in Nairobi, you can be able to make judgments based on the people you understand.
Then one final thing I forgot to ask.
Yes.
You know, we are also looking for land to put up our office, and some county governments have given us land. Most county governments. Yeah, so in Nyamira here, we are also looking for the same. Yes, that I think that's the only request I would make. Yeah.
Land, I think you are government. If there is a government land and you want to use it, we only hold it on behalf of yourself and everybody.
Yes.
So we will not hesitate to allocate you land.
Yes.
I think Waziri, you can look at the appropriate land.
Yes.
Who is the officer in Nyamira? Yeah. Why have you not come up? When new judge has come, they call in and say, we are here. We come to know each other. Liaise with him.
I will liaise with him.
So that you can identify where we can, it doesn't have to be town, but even suburbs where it's secure, you can have enough land for parking and other.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Professional prosecution. What those people used to do was lay prosecution, which is no longer tenable. You know, those were days when people didn't know their rights. Nowadays, you take somebody to court without evidence, just be dismissed. You'll do nothing. Because I looked at them. You know, before I became DPP, I was also prosecuting the counties. Yeah. I've been in Kiambu, all those. Yeah. What would happen, you will find a public health officer coming to you with one statement and is telling you what to court. Which court? In this era? That was the court of lay magistrates. You know, we had, they were called lay magistrates. Not the days of professional magistrates. not the days of professional prosecutors. They must be trained, and we have said, let's engage so that we can guide them on how to investigate what is expected. Yeah, when they bring that, we go to court. Yeah. So let's have an engagement, because it is also a threat. Whatever you are saying, the rise, does it affect only those people?
No.
It affects even us.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you think I'd be happy that there is something happening and we are not doing anything? It must be structured. So let's sit down with my team. Let's agree, even with the investigators, public health, what is expected? What is it that I'm supposed to bring? The moment they do that, you can be sure we'll do very well. And I'm more supportive on that. Yeah. If you're not getting support from me, raise me and we will. But I'm sure you'll get support from me. Yeah. Thank you.
I think that's a very important point, that we get support to train
Yes.
the public health officers.
Yes. Yes.
Yesterday we had a discussion with some of the officers, and we were telling them that as county government, particular departments that deal with these issues like health and the county attorney's office, we want to be your allies.
Yes.
Because if we have a cholera outbreak,
It
even
affects
the
all of
officers
us.
will
Yes.
die.
It will not single out somebody. All of us.
We all eat in the same
Yes,
hotel.
we'll be hit
We
all
all
of us.
drink in the same.
Yeah.
Yes. So if you can have a structured way of having our officers
Yes.
identified,
Yes.
properly trained,
Yes.
because we also don't want them to harass small business
Yes.
people.
Yes.
That tunachoma mahindi yako, uko na mahindi 10 na umepelekwa kotini na mahindi 10.
Yeah. Yeah. That's fine. If you engage the way you have done even with the Nairobi, we have a way of training. We even have the prosecution training institute where they'll come, train them, and give them all that is required. Yeah. So that when they arrest somebody, they know the ingredients. You don't just arrest. Yeah. We even have other alternatives to prosecution. We tell them how they work. Yeah. Because as you're saying, if somebody has 10 maize cobs and wanataka kumshika, is there an alternative? So that he feels he has made a mistake, at the same time he does not go scot-free. Instead of you taking him to court. All those are there because they're structured, they're documented. Yeah. That is the only way. Because if you just go to court without proper investigation and the person is acquitted, you have 10 people, all of them are getting acquitted. What is the message you're sending? Wacha wakushike tu. No, wanasema tu wakushike tu, utatoka. Utatoka. They do the same thing. So you know, being charged should be deterrence. Punishment and deterrence. So that the rest see that if I do this, that's what is going to happen. But if they know, I'll just be arrested, taken to court, get bond, and I'll be get acquitted. So let's have that engagement. And I know we'll be for sure. The county attorney, the CC, yeah, let's have an engagement.
He does so much, and we are very glad that he has been assisting us. I know there's a discussion going on on the guidelines, so now maybe probably we can have county prosecutors gazetted.
No. There's no prosecutor being gazetted.
Yeah.
And that one I want to tell you here.
Yeah.
It's only by prosecutors, no other.
Probably that's what,
No.
maybe the guidelines.
But we can have a county court.
We have a county court.
Handling that, then there's a prosecutor there.
Yeah.
But no other prosecutor.
Yes.
Yeah.
Probably that's what we were saying, that there are
Yes.
discussion going around
Yes, that's
on the guidelines. So now probably now we can be
Yes.
handling
yeah, that's easy.
some of these. Most of our legislations have offenses created in those legislations.
Yes.
And therefore probably we need to have more
Engagement.
and guidelines.
No,
on
that's
how
perfect.
we can
That's
properly enforce those ones.
Yeah.
And that's the kind of probably request.
Yes.
But of course, Mr. Chirichi
Yeah,
has been
that's
of
fine.
assistance so much. We'll assist that.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.